Hello everyone, this is Matush coming with you a quick trick for Trimble Business Center version 5. Since the menu has changed in the new version, a new merged version, many of you are confused where to find the comment. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but quick trick to find whatever you're looking for is just pressing F12, which will open this comment pane, and typing whichever comment you're looking for. So measure, right, and you get all of them. It's pretty smart. Or create point, right, point cloud, point table, whatever you need. So quickly you can jump into any comment you're looking for just by knowing its name. Hope you enjoyed this. Click like and come back and see another quick trick.